Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to combine hour, minute and seconds. We have an Excel file where we have three columns which has hour, minute and second. Let's see how we can combine hour and minute, and then we'll see how we can combine hour, minute and seconds. We just have to take the hour colon and mention the seconds. Say enter. Select this cell and press Ctrl E. We'll get the combination of hour, minute and we'll get the time here. Suppose if you want to have the seconds as well, we'll just go here and give the seconds, say enter. We'll get the seconds as well. We just have to mention the hour colon minute colon seconds. Thank you so much for watching this video.